crafters, thanks for joining me on today's project from Rissa Rocks It and Designed by Geeks. We are going to be making this heart print and cut pop-up card. So this is the outside of the card. This is cut, but the inside of the card has a print of a heart that is made up of roses, and the outside says I love, and inside the print says you. You can make this with your Silhouette or Cricut cutting machine and a color printer, and I've put the purchase link in the video description for you. This design has 3 pieces. There's the inner card print, there's the inside card piece, and there's the outside card piece. The outside card is the one that has the I love on it, and then the inside card piece, if you can see, has kind of an outline of a heart on it. The inner card piece has a print and cut, and this design does have some special steps beyond your typical print and cut design, so do make sure that you follow the instructions in the design folder that we've included for your particular software. It's not hard to do if you follow the instructions, and there are some important sizes that you'll need to know, especially for Cricut users, since Cricut isn't great at preserving the original file sizes on the file. Your pieces for the inner and outer card are also going to have some score lines, as well as there's going to be a center score line on the printed piece. To assemble the card, you're going to start by taking the outer card and folding it in half on the score line. And the I love part, that's going to be the front of the card. Next, you're going to take your inner card and you're also going to fold that in half. And then after you fold it in half, this center heart section, you're actually going to flip it the opposite direction so that it folds the opposite way. And that's what's actually going to fold to make the pop-up on your card. So you can see, here's when it's closed and there's when it's open. Next, you're going to fold the printed piece, and this has a center score line, and you're going to want to fold it so that the print is on the outside of the fold. Next, you're going to use glue or double-sided tape to stick the print onto the heart. So we're going to put glue on just the heart, and then we'll put our print on top of that. And you're going to line up the score line on the print to the score line on the heart. And next, you're going to glue this inner card to the outer card. So we'll open up our outer card, and we're going to place this inside. And you're going to line up the score line here with the score line of the inner card. And you're only going to place glue on this outside section. You won't place any glue on any of the parts that have the heart. You could also use double-sided tape as well. I like to start by doing one side at a time, so I've put glue here on the back. And so now I'm going to line up that fold with the score line in the center of the card. And then I can put glue on the other half to glue it to this inside part of the card. And then this is what the assembled card looks like. So here's the outside, and you open it up, and there is the heart pop-up. And then if you wanted to add anything additional to the front, you could write your message on the inside, and you are all done. And you just put it in a square envelope. Easy. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. We'll see you for our next project.
We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.